And we are back, albayanong bateenyo, at nagbabalik tayo para sa panibagong music video reaction. At ngayon nga, no, bibigyan natin ng video reaction ang kanta ng SB19 na Burn the Flame para sa MOBA games na Honor of Kings, no? So, syempre, thankful na marami tayong nakikita ang collaboration ng SB19, hindi lang sa music genre, pati rin sa ibang entertainment platform, no? Especially yung sa MOBA gaming din or in the gaming industry na din. So, thankful tayo na kahit papaano na-spread nila yung kanilang talent sa iba't ibang entertainment industry, no. So, syempre, bago ang lahat at kung bago ka dito, subscribe and click mo yung notification bell para updated ka sa ina-upload natin na music video. At syempre, may mga live stream din ako. So, nagpo-post ako sa aking YouTube channel kung kailan ako nagkakaroon ng live stream, no. So, syempre, wag nating patagalin pa. First time kong maririnig to, first time kong mapapanood tong music video. So, yeah, at syempre, lalagyan ko lang ng overlay yung video para iwas din tayo sa copyright din, no? So, para hindi ma-block yung video, no? Alam naman natin na hindi naman ma-monetize tong video na to, pero lalagyan lang natin para hindi lang siya ma-block at para mapanood nyo din. So, syempre, wag na nating patagalin pa. Burn the Flames by SB19. In collaboration with Honor of Kings. Let's go. Okay, so 2025 Honor of Kings International Championship. So, magkakaroon kasi na ang tournament to. So, ito yung parang pinaka collaboration music ng SB19 with the Honor of Kings. So, yeah, good thing. Para sa akin, as a gamer din ako, Dota player, Mobile Legends player, Honor of Kings player. Yeah, maganda. Gusto ko itong ganitong mga collabs nila.
Putting in the top grind, all my squad is pop gallant. No words are needed for trust, we got the confidence. See you flicking slip. I'm ready for work, yeah, I'm ready for. Putting in the top grind, all my squad is pop gallant. No words.
Put it in the top grind. My trip is top gallant.
In the top grind, all my squad is pop gallant. No words.
All my squad is pop gallant. But then yung top grind, put it in the top grind kasi sa part ng isang map ng isang MOBA games, mostly sa top grind basically, kasi minsan kung magkakaroon ka ng ibang lane, top grind specifically yon for it's either for experience or for gold. Yung lane na yon top grind. So bali yon, experience or gold, magagrind ka ng experience and gold. Pero syempre, let's say bigyan natin to ng deeper meaning kasi syempre alam naman natin ng SB19 yung hard work na ginagawa nila para sa kanilang career. Grinding naman yon. Tapos syempre, Pop Gallant, syempre yung parang brave or heroic something. Pag sinabi mong gallant, yung squad niya, parang ganun. So, brave, heroic something, Pop Gallant, mga pop personality sila. So, yun yung nakikita kong meaning dun sa pinaka first 4 bars na sinabi dito ni Josh. I see you flicking, sleeping now. Yung flicking kasi yung flicker, yung flicker ano to extra space, parang default skill na sa pag may naglalaro ka ng it's either MOBA na ML or Hawk, pero din syempre sa Honor of Kings is flicker, yung flicker na bigla kang magbiblink sa isang lugar to other spot. So yeah.
You flicking, slipping now, how you couldn't copy this. Notice that bit, I'll be ready all the time. Get it now. Take a breath. Yeah, my plate is smoother than ice. You gon' pay the price. Set, gon' pay the price. Set the track. Take a breath. Yeah, my plate is smoother than ice. You gon' pay the.
Pay the.
Plate is smoother than ice. You gon'
My
pay.
blade is colder than the ice. You gonna pay the price. The syllable rhythm.
My body's in the back. You better think it twice. Coming on never. Casting off the shadows. Yeah, I'm on my way. Stand against the.
Casting of Shadows, I'm on my way. Since na matagal na akong hindi naglalaro ng Honor of Kings, casting shadows. I think na nagre-refer to sa isang skills ng isang champion o hero.
Stand against the fate, we won't be the same. Steeper and steeper, I'll step again. We're gonna dream it up high to live in the skies. You can never stop.
Man.
We're gonna dream it up high.
Wait.
Got my bodies in the back, you better think it twice. Coming on never. Casting off the shadows, yeah, I'm on my way. Stand against the fate, we won't be the same. Steeper.
Standing up the faith, we won't be the same. Siyempre naman, pag talagang pinagpurso mo naman talaga yung talagang gusto mo, no? So, I'm sure naman na talagang ma-change yung ano mo na magiging future mo na, yung magiging sitwasyon mo sa buhay mo. Steeper and steeper. Yun nga, yung pagpupursige mo na kahit ganun ka, gaano ka, ano mo yung katarik, di ba? Kahit gaano katarik, pag talagang pinagpursige mo naman yun, talagang kahit papano, unti-unti, kahit slow, maaabot mo yung talagang dream mo, yung goal mo. Dahil nga sinabi ko na to dream in up high, to live in the sky. Dahil nga sa sobrang tarik, syempre, there's no pataas talaga yun which is yung sky nga. I'm a warrior. Damn, ang ganda nung yung beat ng drums para sa in preparation na para doon sa hook or doon sa chorus, no. Ang ganda nung drum roll, something sabihin parang drum roll. Yung drop Rebel won't be tamed. Warrior, syempre, warrior, rebel, almost similar meaning. Burning up the flame. Dahil nga, yun yung title. Pero burning flame. Flame is burning. Yep. Rebel won't be tamed kasi nga, rebel, yan, yung rebelde, sabihin natin, rebelde na won't be tamed. Yung hindi mo sila mahuli something, hindi mo sila malilish. Kings will never die, which is pinaka sikat naman talagang na parang phrase something, Kings will never die.
I gotta be calm, I gotta be strong. It's time to take down all these enemies. My willpower infinite.
Ang gusto ko yung pagkaka-deliver doon ni Ken. Ang ganda ng flow, yung flow niya, yung rhythm, yung cadence niya dito. Wait lang. Sorry.
Willpower infinite. I gotta be calm, I gotta be strong. It's time to take down all these enemies. My willpower infinite.
Alam mo yung willpower infinite. Diba? May swag, alam mo yan, may swag yung pagkaka-deliver ni Ken doon sa man. I like those kind of delivery.
All these enemies, my willpower infinite.
Yeah, ang sinasabi kasi dito nila, kung iano ko siya sa on a real life situation, on a real life event talaga, kumbaga masasabi ko na they are breaking the walls, kumbaga parang breaking the norms na rin, na although Pinoy tayo, pero may karapatan tayong makilala sa talagang kultura natin, no? So gusto ko yung infinite. We surpassing the limits, we running the game. Kung yun nga sinabi ko, kung i-reflect natin tong linya na to sa totoong buhay is yung sa SB19 nga, no. They are running the game on a P-pop industry. Wag na tayo magtalo, sila ang nakikita kong face of the P-pop industry. No, so yun, sabihin natin gano'n. No hate sa ibang grupo, pero SB19 sila talaga yung para sa akin na nagra-run the game, no, ng P-pop industry dito sa atin.
Breakers, breaking all the ties and borders.
Yes, and yun din na sinasabi nila, breaking all the ties and borders. Sinasabi ko, in relation to they are running the game.
Game changers, just sit back and see me conquer. We'll start
Pero eto rin dito, just sit back and see me conquer siya syempre dito sa game din ito, ano.
We'll start
We stuck M on a killing spree. We stuck M sa ibang game kasi na may stuck mo when you say kasi na killing spree is ito yung yung sunod-sunod na nadidipit mo yung isang hero or champion na yung parang sunod-sunod yan parang sa Dota kasi masasabing na killing spree ka after ng 3 kills mo sa kalaban, pero dito rin yata I think 3 or more killing spree ka sunod-sunod na nakaka-kill ka ng enemy mo. We stack pag sinabi sa Dota kasi pag in-stack mo yung may ipon mo yung kill, tapos yun nga magiging killing spree siya.
No, ain't nobody can stop us. We're chasing the glory and nada.
Yeah.
Casting all the shadows, yeah, I'm on my way. Stand against the fate, we won't be the same. Steep on, step again. We're gonna dream it up high to live in the sky. You can never stop me fighting on the edge.
You can never stop me fighting on the edge. Kumbaga parang kung ibubuhos ko to when it comes na pag nasa gipit na kaming kalagayan, fighting on the edge na kayo, kumbaga yung there's no choice but to fight. Yun yung sinasabi dito ni Style, no, yun dito sa parang pre-chorus na to, no. You can never stop me fighting on the edge. Kumbaga eto na yung kumbaga sukdulo na yung kailangan mo na talagang lumaban. There's no way but to fight. So yun na yung ano. Pero syempre, but on the edge on edge of the map din kasi you can never stop me fighting kasi there's no way ka na rin din pag nasa edge ka ng map, especially on the side lane man or mapa top side nung mapa. Pag nasa edge ka, yeah, there's no way na you can never stop fighting noon kasi wala ka lang tatakbuhan, no. So yeah, I can see the double entendre dito.
Every time we fall, we get back again. Chances we're taking will
After we fall, we take back again kasi syempre sa game na to is may mare-respond ka, yeah.
let us fade out.
Mare-respond ka, pero syempre sa totoong buhay, after you fall, syempre you have to bumangon, kailangan mong bumangon, no. So, ganun lang din naman.
Prime time, we're ready for the win. Honor. I'm a warrior. Burning up the flame. Running story. Rebel, won't be tamed. I'm burning up a fight and I'm reaching for the sky.
It's honor, prime time, we got ignited.
I'm a warrior. Ready for the game. Make it glorious. Running for the name. Yeah, we're putting up a fight 'cause we think we'll never die.
Keep rising high to the sky.
We gonna bring it honor.
Write our story, give us glory.
God, man, what?
Write our
Ito talaga yung ganitong bagay talaga yung yung boses ni Ken. Sobrang amazing talaga ang boses ni Ken pagdating sa deep voice, no. Na may nagdadagdag kasi ng texture sa kante. Nagdadagdag talaga siya ng hindi mo maintindihan yung element dito sa kanta ng SB19 pag si Ken nag-deliver na siya ng with deep voice.
story, give us glory. Gotta take it, all that I can.
Soon enough, you know my name. Fortune and fate, we're not the same. Yeah, this is the stage we dominate. I got lightning running through my veins. Not a trace of fear, my heart has burned it into flames. All the chains will break in man. So in this battle, we have faith, we on our way. We on I'm a warrior. Burning up the flame. Right story. A rebel, won't be tamed. I'm putting up a fight.
Well, ang pinaka-team lang din naman kasi nito is yung para sa akin in a real life situation na yung may pinaka-mensahe naman talaga nitong ng SB19, yung kanta nilang Burning the Flame is to continue on your goal, on your dreams, kung anong gusto mong gawin mo with pride din, syempre, with pride, with honor. No, so yun lang din naman nakikita kong pinaka-message nitong kanta, which is yun naman kasi talaga yung nagiging similarity ng kanta doon sa pinaka-tema din ng Honor of Kings, especially the title na Honor of Kings, no. So yun na fight with fight, with all your might, fight with all your might, 'di ba? So, yun ang para sa goal na talagang gusto mo. So, yun ay kumbaga masasabi natin na yun yung relation nila sa kanta na to.
For this guy,
It's on a prime time, we got it guided.
I'm a warrior, riding for the game. Make it glorious, running for the name. Yeah, we put it up a fight, 'cause we kids will never die.
We keep rising high to the skies.
We gonna bring you honor.
Left to defend. 2 members left. 2 members left for defending jabs. Is Black. Is the
Ganitong maganda talaga pag ano eh. So, pag nasa mga live event ka during ng mga ganitong game. Man, sobrang hype talaga, man. Talagang nung time kasi ng time na way back 2018 something yata yun nung nanood ako ng event ng esports event din sa Philippine Arena, man. Sobrang hype, man. Sobrang hype. Kahit nasa malayo ako, man, pag uwi ko na maos, talaga nawalan ako ng boses kakasigaw.
We got the honor, 'cause we are the kings. It's honor showtime.
11:14 to 11:30, so ongoing pala tong Rise for Honor na to. Yeah. Yun. So, yeah. So that's it. Ang masasabi ko yan, syempre, gusto ko yung ganitong collaboration ng SB19 with other entertainment platform, no, especially sa gaming din kasi I myself, isa din akong gamer, mobile gamer, and then syempre sa pagdating din sa ibang platform ng PC gaming. So yeah, good thing na nagkaroon din ng SB19 na ma-represent din nila yung P-pop sa gaming industry. So good thing para sa akin yun. And syempre, voice ng SB19, songwriting ng SB19, on point talaga yun lagi. Gusto ko lagi kung paano sila magkaroon ng meaning sa kanilang lyrics in real life man or in the team mismo ng kanta, no? So yun ang gusto ko sa SB19. As battle rap and hip hop fans, gusto ko yung mga ganong elements sa isang pop group din, no? So yeah, hanggang sa muli, SB19, you rock, man.